Hi, today I will be showing our new tool called Generate Image that can use a style image. So what's great about this tool is the new style image. So what it allows you to do is use a image that you have and generate new images that looks similar to that image in style. So to use style image, you just select style image here. And then let's say we want to make a breastplate armor. What's good to note is that when generating using a style image, the model likes to use the colors found in the image. So it's good if the thing that you're trying to generate uses the same colors as your style image. It's not necessary, but it makes it a bit better for the model. Now the image here is a bit small, and the reason for that is I had image size 20. So let's increase that a bit. Let's say we want a sprite that is 48 in size instead. Alright, so once we generated something, we can use in-painting to change the image, but not the whole image. So, for example, if we like a certain part of the image, but we would change other parts, we can in-paint the areas that we want to change. In this case, let's say I want this plate armor to be completely steel. So I can just in-paint this part right here, and the model can only change this part of the image. Nice. And then we can actually continue this. If, for example, let's say you're not happy with this part and you want to try and see if you can do better, you can in-paint that and generate again. And yeah. The generate image style is quite versatile. It's best used for characters and objects. Here you can see some examples of what I've done. So in this case, I started off with this couch and created this table using this as a style image, the couch as a style image. For the equipment here, I had my sword, which I created an axe, and I created these plate mail armors from this sword as well. I also created this lantern from this sword. Let's create a character. So I'm gonna use style image again, and I'm just gonna start off by having view side, because my character is a side character, and then I want a character that's facing the south. And if you don't like what you get, you can just retry. And if you get something that is acceptable, you can then come back in and make some edits to fix the image. So let's do it that way. So I'm gonna use in-pinning here to let's say let's fix the hair maybe. Let's fix the face in general. Let's say we want a female mage with blonde hair. And then we can do another fix. And when we're using in-painting, we can just edit a certain part of the image, which is quite nice. So we don't need to worry that we're ruining something else. And yeah, this is a bit of a iterative process where you make some changes, you go back in, make some more changes, and then until you're happy. And we can do maybe a mage holding a fireball, could be pretty cool. And then we can just in paint here where we like our fireball to be. So let's say it should be here. And then if we just do it like this, we can't really control it exactly what we want. So instead we can also go in here, add some red, and give like a maybe like a shape of the fireball. And then we can use a init image just to like show the model where we want the fireball to be and kinda what it should look like. And go back. Can take this. Maybe we want to extend it a bit. So let's do that. And we can, because we like this fireball a bit more, so we can increase the strength a bit just to keep the original fireball. And maybe we would like to give her a nice hat. We can do that. Let's say we want to give her a hat. Female mage wearing a wizard hat. Maybe you should give it a bit more room. That hat is quite big, so what we could do is take the hat, maybe downsize it a bit, put it back on. And then we could maybe add some shoes to our character. So we can do something like this. Female. Let's do a pair of boots. Let's try without. I think we might need an init image here. So I'm just gonna go in here and just add something so the model understands where the boots should be. Nice. Beautiful. So yeah, now we've gone through everything you can pretty much do with the generate image tool. I hope this is helpful and will increase your productivity. Some things to note here in the advanced options. You have a style guidance weight, which will influence how much the style image will affect the generation. So a higher style guidance will mean it will look more like the style image. And when it comes to guidance weight here for the description and everything, this affects all of these categories, all these settings. And init image strength higher means it will look more like the init image, and lower means that it will look less. And what this actually is like decides the starting point of the generation. So for example, if you have 1, it just kind of sees the shape, I guess. And if it's 999, it means that the image, it will do nothing to the image, pretty much. Yeah.